The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel explores the complex connection between our thoughts, feelings, and financial choices. Housel, an experienced financial journalist, skillfully combines storytelling with practical insights, making difficult ideas easy to understand. Housel shares 19 captivating stories that bring these themes to life, urging readers to reflect on their own beliefs about money. The main point emphasizes that understanding the psychology behind financial behavior is crucial for making wise decisions. By analyzing our views on money, we can cultivate better habits that lead to improved financial well-being. This book is a helpful resource for anyone looking to navigate their financial journey with clarity and intention. The psychology of money refers to the study of how our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors impact financial decisions. This field delves into the intricate relationship between our mindset and financial behavior, revealing that managing money is not purely about numbers, but also about understanding ourselves. When individuals make financial decisions, they often rely more on their feelings than on logical reasoning. Emotional responses can drive us to take unnecessary risks. Excitement over potential gains can lead to impulsive investments. Avoid necessary risks. Fear of loss may prevent smart investment opportunities. Influence spending habits. Emotional states such as stress or happiness can trigger unplanned purchases. These emotional influences highlight the complexity of financial behavior. Recognizing these patterns helps in developing a healthier approach to money management. Several cognitive biases significantly affect how we perceive and interact with money. Understanding these biases can lead to better decision-making and improved financial outcomes. Loss aversion. This bias suggests that people fear losses more than they value equivalent gains. For instance, losing $100 feels worse than gaining $100 feels good. This fear can cause investors to hold onto losing investments or avoid riskier assets altogether, potentially missing out on profitable opportunities. Anchoring. Individuals often rely heavily on initial information when making decisions. For example, if an investor sees a stock priced at $50 and later drops to $30, they might anchor their perception of value around that initial price. This can cloud judgment regarding whether it's time to buy or sell. Endowment effect. People tend to overvalue what they own simply because they own it. This bias can lead investors to hold onto assets longer than they should because parting with them feels like losing something valuable, even if selling would be financially wiser. Understanding these psychological biases enables individuals to make more informed choices regarding investments and spending habits. By acknowledging how emotions and cognitive distortions shape financial behavior, one can develop strategies to mitigate their impact on decision making. Recognizing the interplay between psychology and finance lays a solid foundation for achieving long-term financial goals. It encourages individuals to question their instinctive reactions and fosters a mindset geared towards thoughtful investing rather than emotional responses. Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money offers valuable lessons on wealth and happiness through a unique storytelling approach. This method not only simplifies complex financial concepts, but also makes them relatable to everyday experiences. Housel shares 19 engaging stories that illustrate how our relationships with money are shaped by individual backgrounds and circumstances. Every person's financial mindset is influenced by their unique experiences. These moments often define how we perceive money, risk, and success. For example, childhood influences. A person raised in a financially stable environment might approach investments with confidence, while someone who witnessed financial struggles may be more cautious or risk-averse. Cultural context. Different cultures have varying attitudes towards saving, spending, and investing. Understanding these influences can help individuals recognize their own biases when it comes to money management. Recognizing these unique experiences helps illuminate why people make certain financial decisions. It encourages self-reflection on our own backgrounds and the beliefs that guide our choices. In the realm of investing, patience proves to be a vital ingredient for success. Housel emphasizes the difference between long-term financial gains and short-term thinking. Many individuals fall into the trap of focusing on immediate results, leading to impulsive decisions that can undermine their financial health. Key points to consider include compound interest. The magic of compound interest works best over time. Investing early allows your money to grow exponentially as interest accumulates on both your initial investment and the interest earned over time. Market fluctuations. Short-term market movements can create anxiety and prompt hasty reactions. Staying focused on long-term goals enables investors to weather volatility without derailing their strategies. Patience in investing is not just about waiting. It requires a mindset shift towards valuing long-term rewards over temporary gains. Establishing clear goals is fundamental for achieving financial success. Housel discusses how goal setting shapes our financial journeys by providing direction and motivation. Here's how effective goal setting can transform financial behavior. Specificity. Clearly defined goals help prioritize actions that align with those objectives. For instance, saving for a home requires different strategies than preparing for retirement. Measurable progress. Tracking progress towards goals fosters accountability and encourages persistence, even when faced with challenges. When individuals set realistic and attainable goals, they cultivate a sense of purpose in their financial lives, making it easier to navigate obstacles along the way. Housel's anecdotes serve as reminders that everyone's journey with money is distinct. The emphasis on storytelling invites readers to reflect on their experiences, while encouraging them to embrace their personal narratives regarding wealth and happiness. Understanding that financial success is not purely about numbers promotes a healthier relationship with money. It highlights the importance of emotional intelligence in navigating one's finances effectively. By integrating these insights into daily life, individuals can foster not only better decision-making, but also a more fulfilling approach to wealth accumulation, one that values patience, personal growth, and meaningful goals above all else.